Welcome to XML Gold. In this video, we will explain how to create a Perfect Money account. Let's begin. Once you're on the Perfect Money website, first click on Sign Up located at the top. Now enter all required information to create an account, like your account name, your name, city, country, zip code, email address, and phone number. Choose whether you want to make a personal account or a business account. Lastly, create a password. Now, for security purposes, enter a Turing number as you can see. Check I agree with the terms and conditions. Once all is done, click Register. Now, your registration is completed. Please check your email. You have received a member ID for login. Copy the member ID and go to the login page. Here, provide your member ID, type your password, enter a Turing number again, then click Authorize. That's it. You've successfully logged in to Perfect Money. Now let's move on to the deposit section. You can see that we can deposit through various methods, like bank wire, or by depositing cash through local exchangers. You can also add funds instantly with Bitcoin cryptocurrency. There are lots of other deposit methods you can see on the screen. That's it for this tutorial. You have successfully learned how to make an account on Perfect Money. Thank you for choosing XML Gold.